In this video, I'm going to show you how to work into the fourth loop. The fourth loop is created by a double crochet. Here's my double crochet from the previous round. Here's my normal stitch that I would work into right there. You're going to tilt that stitch slightly towards you to find your fourth loop. Right there is your fourth loop. Right there. Okay, let me show you that again. Here's your double crochet from the previous round. Here's your normal stitch that you would go through. And you're going to tilt that slightly towards you to find your fourth loop. Your fourth loop is right here. You can also find your third loop right here. So there's your third loop. There is your fourth loop. All right, let me show you how to work into that. So I'm going to half double crochet into the fourth loop. So I'm going to yarn over, tilt my work slightly towards me, and right there's my fourth loop. Right there. And what that fourth loop does is it brings those stitches forward. Your regular stitch, it brings it forward. It just gives a raised textured look. You may be able to see it on this Sassy beanie better. This is the Sassy beanie. And I worked in the third loop and in the fourth loop on some of these. See how it just gives that raised texture? Okay, let me show you again. Yarn over. I'm going to tilt that towards me to find my fourth loop, which is right here. Okay, let me show you one more time. There's my normal stitch. I'm going to tilt that towards me. Can you see the fourth loop? Right there is my fourth loop, right there. So I'm going to yarn over and go into that fourth loop there. And make my half double crochet. And that is how you work into the fourth loop. Thank you for watching.